In this violin lesson we are going to work on the Minuet of Boccherini. Let's start in the very beginning. We start with a very light bow stroke. The first note can be a little bit tricky for those who start to play this piece the very first time. We are playing it by placing both our third finger and our fourth finger ready on the E string. On the moment that we start bowing, we directly let go of the fourth finger. You can try this a few times. After that, we have to play 4 notes. You can practice them separately. If you can do that, now add the first grace note in the beginning. And then the note that comes after should be played openly, not like... So all play it a little bit openly. Also this part, it is like long, short, long, instead of short, bow up, down. So it is accent, let go. So you kind of dig more in the string in the first part of the 2 8 notes, and then the second 8 note should be a bit lighter. And again. Now the next part we can play it in first position. And I think this should be played a little bit firmly. It is like dee 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 dee. So you can play it like that. And then the second time a bit lighter. And we can play it with the harmonic note. And I have another blog post and tutorial about harmonic notes if you're interested. And then we go back to first position. So here we play. And then short, 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 short. So this short bow stroke, but keep on the string. And here, the trill, we are starting with the note above. So we start the trill by playing the G sharp. Then we go back to the F. And we are playing the trill. And to end the trill, we are ending with E and F sharp. And you can practice that very slowly. And you can also practice it without a trill, to really understand the rhythm and also the ornament. Let's go to the second part. This part, I think what is important, first of all we see loud, soft, and then this is tenuto, so it should be connected. The stripes under the note tell that you have to play the notes connected, so instead of we have to play. And I would say the first time loud, second time soft. So loud, soft, and play it a little bit more tight with a less bow and a little bit more pressure on the string. And then again the same as in the beginning. And here. And then the harmonic note. And how can you play this more in tune? Because you notice that it can go wrong. Maybe you can play this with the first finger. And then already switch to third position. And then we go back to first. Now we are going to the trio part. And here we have to play connected and then een staccato doen. And this also short, short. And then we start loud. A bit softer. A bit softer. And then loud again. And let's play this a bit close to the balance point of the bow. So loud, bit soft, softer, louder, and loud, and then softer. And then we are playing. And here we have again very much legato. So first we have very soft, and then play this connected. Louder, louder, softer. So we have T, 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 T. So this is just against the beat, right? T, 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 T. So really practice this with a metronome to get used to playing against the beat like this. And then we are going to play again. So you can imagine it is like, it starts very loud, like here I am, and then it goes back, and then you play it louder, like volcano is erupting, and then it is slowly slowing. It is like calming down again. So, and then this volcano and slowing down, and then again. And this very soft. And play it close to the balance point or in the middle of the bow. And then very softly. Maybe you could play it either, you could play it all the way up or a little bit more in the middle. Depending on if you want to leave the bow or not, if you want to play more jumping bow stroke, or I would just keep the bow on the string, that makes it easier. And after that we get again to the same part that we already discussed before. And then now we are in the last line. And then very short bow stroke. And then soft. So thank you so much for watching this quick lesson on the Minuet of Boccherini. I hope it was helpful to you. Good luck practicing.